Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can simply hide your apps on your Android phone. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, we will simply just start our video. And so to do so, what you will do is simply go to your mobile phone and you will go to your phone's app drawer. If you have it, then you can simply go ahead and access it. Then you can see that in your search bar you will see this three dot icon right there on your top right corner. Simply go ahead and tap on it, and then you can see the settings option, right? Simply tap on that option given, and this kind of interface will open up. So you will scroll down and find this hide apps on home and app screens. So what you will do is you will simply tap on that option given, and this kind of interface another will open up. You can see there is like a little marking icon on top of your apps, right? So simply you can tap on those apps and get this blue check marks. That means those apps are chosen for you to hide in your mobile phone. So you can choose them and simply tap on this done button given below. Tap on it, and then you will simply go back and open your drawer and check if that app is hidden or not. So once you do that, your app will simply be hidden from your Android mobile phone there. And yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, do make sure to subscribe if you haven't done it yet. And yes, I will see you guys next time.